Hey art friends, today we're drawing a character from one of your favorite VR games. What is it called?
Gorilla Tag.
Yeah, it's Gorilla Tag. It's got these really funny looking gorillas that don't have legs.
Yeah.
And really long arms. And don't you walk around with the arms?
Yeah.
We hope you're going to follow along. You need your drawing supplies. We're using markers, but you can use whatever you have. You also need some?
Paper and something to color with.
Yeah, you ready to start?
Yes.
Just a reminder, because we're using our markers to draw and color with, we're also using marker paper to draw on. This helps keep our markers lasting a lot longer than just using regular printer paper. Okay, let's start by drawing our gorilla's head or face. We're going to start with the eyes. Oh, let's start with the nose. We're going to start with two little ovals like this. Then we're starting over here on the left side and towards the top so that we have room for a big long arm coming down and then the other long arm waving. Yeah. Okay, now let's draw the eyes. We're going to draw kind of a sideways leaf or raindrop shape. We're going to start here and draw it coming out like this, around and then back in. And then we're going to do another shape just like that, but going the other direction. Yeah. Oh, I like how big you're drawing your eyes. That's cool. Now let's draw a border around these eyes. On yours, you could almost draw, because you drew them a lot bigger, you could draw this part on the inside. I'm going to draw on the outside. I'm going to try to draw really close to the first shape that we drew. And then we'll repeat that for the other eye too. Yeah, that looks awesome. And there we go. And next, let's draw a little circle or oval on the inside, on the top right of each eye. And then we're going to color in that center part, but leave the little circle white. Now we're going to come down from the nose and draw the mouth. And we want the mouth to be about the same width as the nostrils. So we'll come straight down, and then we're going to draw a curve that comes out to the left and then also out to the right. Almost looks like a W. Now we're going to draw the mask for our little gorilla. We're going to start next to the nostril, and we're going to come around the eye. And then right in between the eyes, we're going to come down, and then we'll come back up, go around, and then let's stop at the other side of the nostrils. Yeah, there you go. Keep going, around, and stop. There you go. Now we're going to draw underneath the mouth, this around, and come back up and connect to the other side. Yeah. Now let's draw the shape of our gorilla's head. We're going to start next to the mouth down here at the bottom, and we're going to come up close to the side of the eyes. We'll go up a little higher in between, come back down, and we want this side to match. So we're going to try to come down and make it look the same on both sides. And you could also draw these lines straight instead of curved, because in the game it's made out of polygons, so they're straight lines, but it's okay if we curve them. Now let's also draw a little ear on the left and also over here on the right. Then we could draw the body. We're going to come down. Ooh, we're drawing it really big. We're going to come down, come over, and then we'll come up. We're going to keep it nice and simple. Then let's draw the belly shape. We'll draw a straight line underneath the mouth. And this part we could make it look more like polygons. Let's draw a diagonal line on each side. And then we'll draw two straight lines down. And then let's draw diagonal lines coming in on each side. And then we can connect those two diagonal lines at the very bottom. Now we're going to draw the arms. Let's draw these a little more straight. So we're going to draw this little diagonal line that comes out for the shoulder. Then we're going to draw a short diagonal line coming down further. Then we're going to draw it coming down to about there, maybe halfway down the body. And then we'll come down. This is the elbow. Oh, let's draw a short diagonal line coming in. Then we'll come all the way underneath the body right here. And then we'll connect up. Yeah. Okay, now let's draw the forearm or the next part of the arm. We're gonna draw a little shape coming out or a little diagonal line coming out on the right and also on the left. Then we're gonna come down like this on both sides. This one we can make a little shorter. And we wanna make sure that we leave room for the hands down here at the bottom. And we're gonna draw a short diagonal line coming in for the wrist. And then this side, we'll draw a longer diagonal line coming in, and we want to get close. This is the wrist part. And then we can connect these together. Now let's draw the hand. We're going to draw a diagonal line coming out further. And over here, we're going to draw the thumb. So let's draw a short diagonal line coming down. Then we're going to draw a sideways V. We'll go out and then back in. We're getting really close to the bottom of our paper. We're going to draw another diagonal line that comes down. This is for the other side of the hand. Then we're going to come up for the middle of the finger or in between the two fingers. Then we'll come back down and connect to the other side. Nice. Now we have one arm for our gorilla. Now let's draw the other arm. We're going to draw it coming out to the side and waving. So we'll first draw that short diagonal line just like we did over here. We can come up a little higher. And then we're going to draw a longer diagonal line coming down to the right. Let's draw another diagonal line that matches this one. We're going to start about halfway down the body, and we're going to draw it coming down and stopping right underneath this line. Yeah. Now we're going to come up and connect just past the top line. Then we're going to draw these diagonal lines to match. So we're going to draw a diagonal line coming in. Let's come back down here and we'll draw the elbow. We're going to draw curving out to the right. So I kind of curve down and then back up. We're going to draw another line that comes up to match this side. Then we're going to draw the wrist diagonal line coming in, just like we did over here to match. And then let's connect those two lines together. All right, now we get to draw the hand. We're going to draw a short diagonal line coming up to the left. And we'll draw another one on the other side to match. Okay, now let's draw the thumb. We're going to come out to the left and then back in. Looks like a sideways V.
Yeah.
Then we're going to draw that first finger coming up. And we can draw this really high since this one looks bigger than this hand and arm because it's closer to us.
Yeah.
Okay, and then let's draw the other side of the hand. We're going to draw a diagonal line coming in towards the fingers. And then we'll go up to match this side. See how these two lines match? Then in between these two lines, let's draw a really tall and skinny letter U. Yeah, and then in between right here, we're going to connect with an upside down V on both sides to finish the fingers. Also, we did it. We finished drawing our gorillas, except we're not completely done.
We still need to color it.
Yeah, and in Gorilla Tag, you can have all different colors, right?
Yeah.
So what color are you choosing?
Purple.
Purple, sounds good. And our friends, you guys can pause the video and color yours any way you want. You ready to speed things up?
Yeah.
Awesome, we did it! We finished drawing and coloring our gorillas. I especially love your purple.
Thank you.
And we also kept the bellies the same. Yours is a little bit lighter, but it doesn't matter what color the gorillas are. Usually their belly and face are still gray.
Yeah.
What else could our friends add to their drawing?
A background or more gorillas.
That would look really cool if you finished the background and you had lots of gorillas. Maybe one's flying through the air.
Yeah. We hope you had a lot of fun drawing like gorilla from Gorilla Tag with us.
We do. We hope you had a lot of fun, and we'll see you later, our friends. Goodbye.